Stop scrolling. If you dream of working in Australia, this video can change your life. Many people think Australia job visa is very hard, very expensive, or only for rich people. But the truth is many normal people are already working in Australia, and you can also do it step by step. In this video, I will explain everything. No agent lies, no confusing words, and no fake promises. By the end of this video, you will know which Australia job visa is best for beginners, exact steps to apply, who can apply, and who cannot, how much money you really need, and how to avoid visa rejection. So watch till the end, because missing one step can destroy your dream. Let's start. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, on this channel, I share work visas, job opportunities, immigration guides, honest information for beginners. This video is specially for students, job seekers, freshers, people with skills, people who want a better life and income. Even if you have low English, have no agent, have no relatives in Australia, you can still apply. Why work in Australia? Before we talk about visas, let me explain why Australia is one of the best countries for workers. Benefits of working in Australia: high salary, good work-life balance, safe country, legal worker rights, many job shortage for opportunities. Average salary in Australia: cleaner, AUD 25 to 30 per hour; farm worker, AUD 26 to 35 per hour; construction worker, AUD 35 to 50 per hearth engineer, AUD 70,000 per year. That is why many people want Australia. Big myths about Australia job visa. Let me break some dangerous myths. Myth 1. Only agents can do it. Wrong, you can apply yourself. Myth 2. Only doctors and engineers can go. Wrong, Australia needs many types of workers. Myth 3. You need very high English. Wrong, some visas need basic English only. Myth 4. It's impossible. Wrong, thousands get visas every year. Step 1. Understand Australia job visa types. Australia has many visas, but beginners should focus on job-related visas that I will explain. Only realistic visas. Visa type 1, temporary skill shortage visa, subclass 482. This is one of the most common job visas. What is 482 visa? You get a job offer, employer sponsors you, you work legally in Australia, who can apply. Skilled workers, people with experienced trades. Healthcare, chefs, mechanics. Key points: employer must sponsor, job must be on skill list, you work full-time, can lead to PR later. English requirement: IELTS around 5.0, overall varies. Visa type 2, skilled independent visa, subclass 189. This visa is very powerful. What is 189 visa? Permanent residence. I know employer need dead, no state sponsor needed, who can apply. High demand, skilled workers, good English, points-based system, points depend on age, education, experience, English, occupation. This visa is competitive but possible. Visa type 3, skilled nominated visa, subclass 190. This is easier than 189. What is 190 visa? Permanent residency, state government sponsors you, good for people with skills, people willing to live in a specific state. Visa type 4, regional work visa, subclass 491. This is very important for beginners. Why? Australia needs workers in regional areas. Benefits: easier requirements, lower competition, path to per jobs in regional areas. Farming, aged care, hospitality, construction, driving. Visa type 5, working holiday visa, subclass 417 for 62, for some countries only, who can apply. Age 18 to 30 or 35, limited country, short-term work. This is not for everyone, but good if eligible. Step 2, check your occupation. Australia uses a skilled occupation list. If your job is on the list, you have chance. Examples of in-demand jobs: nurse, aged care worker, electrician, plumber, chef, software developer, civil engineer, carpenter, mechanic, teacher. You must match your skills. Step 3, skill assessment, very important. This step is critical. What is skill assessment? Australia checks your education, your work experience, your skills. Who does it? Different authorities. Engineers Australia Travatasa Sacks of skill assessment fails visa fails, so do it carefully. Step 4. English language tests. Most visas need English. Accepted tests. Yelts Ptito Floet, medical, beginner tip. PTE is easier for many people. Minimum score depends on visa. Basic English means possible for many visas. Step 5. Prepare documents. This step decides success or rejection. Common documents. Passport resume, Australian format. Experience letters, education, certificates, English test result, police clearance, medical exam, fake documents. Means lifetime ban. Be honest. Step 6. Find a job in Australia. You can apply from outside Australia. Best job websites. Seek Indeed, Australia, LinkedIn, Workforce Australia tips. Use Australian resume. Apply daily. Focus on regional jobs. Email employers directly. Step 7. Get job offer or sponsorship or sponsored visas. Employer must offer job, prove they need foreign worker, pay sponsorship fee. His step takes time. Do not lose hope. Step 8. Apply for visa online. Australia visa is 100% online. Do you apply through IMI account. Steps. Create account, fill form, upload documents, pay visa fee, submit. Step 9. Waiting period. Processing time. Few months to 1 year depends on visa. During waiting, check email, respond quickly, not change info. Step 10. Visa grant. If approved, you get visa letter, check conditions, book flight, prepare for Australia. Common reasons for rejection. Avoid these mistakes. Fake experience, wrong documents, low English score, wrong visa choice. For explanation. How much money you need? Approximate. Skill assessment. $500, $3,000 English test. $200, $400 visa fee. $1, $500, $4,000 medical, police. $300, $500 total. $3,000 to $8,000 varies. Agent warning. Many agents promise fake jobs, take money, disappear. Always verify. Final message. Australia job visa is not easy, but possible. That if others can do it, you can too. To start step by step, learn, prepare, apply. Ending. If this video helped you, like, comment your question, share with friends, subscribe for more visa guides. See you in the next video.